Welcome everyone to the XD Journal first presentation of our paper towards understanding and detecting fake reviews in app stores. My name is Daniel Martens and my co-author is Walid Malesh. Now, applications are targeted by fake user feedback to manipulate their ratings and rankings in App Store, and this should either or not mislead users to download specific applications in order to gain competitive advantage. Now, App Store operators are aware of this problem and prohibit such paid, incentivized, filtered or fake feedback in their policies. However, despite the significant recent research, especially in the area of App Store analysis, none of the works considers fake reviews and their implications, and by this I want to highlight that we are the first to analyze these problems. We published our results in the Empirical Software Engineering Journal, and our paper is also available open access. Let's take a look at an example. What you see here is a regular app review. It was submitted by a real user of the application. It reflects the user's honest opinion and it was provided spontaneously. Now on the right side, you see a review for the same application with the same rating of about the same length. However, this is a fake review. Fake reviews are submitted by real or unreal users of the application. They may or may not reflect the user's honest opinion. However, fake reviews are incentivized. For example, they are paid. Now, these fake reviews hinder developers from understanding real users' needs. To underline the importance of the problem, Google even made a public statement about fake reviews, and that Google talks about problems in public is really rarely the case. Now, in our research method, which can be divided into the data collection, preparation and analysis phase, we begin by extracting app identifiers and their metadata as, for example, the price from the Apple App Store. Then we collected the app reviews. Now, we call this official reviews because we don't know if the reviews are regular or fake reviews. On the other hand, we tried to collect a data set containing only fake data. Therefore, we did a structured web search to identify providers. We extracted the reviewing policies and we conducted a discrete questionnaire to learn about their reviewing strategies. And then we collected the actual fake review data. Now, through our online research and the discrete questionnaire, we were able to identify 43 fake review providers and to gather information about their fake reviewing strategies and offers. Now, what we noticed is that these providers can be separated into two categories. We have paid review providers, where you simply pay money to receive your fake reviews, and we have, as you can see here on the screenshot, fake review exchange portals. On these portals you can sign up, you provide a fake review for an application, and as a reward another developer submits a fake review for your application. Now, once you decide to sign up on such a portal, a typical fake review request looks like this. We have the application title and the icon and the reward that you receive on top, and below is the review that you should submit letter-to-letter identical within the App Store. So we have the exact rating, the review title and the review text. And as you see here already, fake reviews do not necessarily mean short or low quality reviews, but they are really written to sound authentic. Now, what we noticed is that fake reviewers need to upload a screenshot of the review they submitted to the App Store as a proof to the Exchange portal, and we tried to collect those screenshots. In the data preparation phase, we extracted the text from the screenshots, we filtered for reviews in English language, we removed duplicates, and then we matched the reviews. And this is a really important step, so we only considered fake reviews that exist within the official reviews dataset, meaning that they have really been published to the App Store and they have not been removed by the App Store operators. In the data analysis phase, we analyze the fake review market, including providers and offers. We identify fake review characteristics, including characteristics of the applications and reviewers, and we come up with an automated solution for the detection of fake reviews. Now, let's take a look at the characteristics. We crawled about 60,000 fake reviews and empirically analyzed and compared them with 62 million app reviews from the Apple App Store. And we also report on quantitative differences of the fake reviews and the concerned applications. Now, one interesting finding that we made is that when we applied existing App Store analysis approaches to our dataset containing only fake reviews, is that this also includes bug reports and feature requests. Now, this clearly highlights that we're not removing fake reviews before further analysis, These will influence the results of existing approaches, for example, to automate release planning by prioritizing bugs based on their reporting frequency. Now, with the characteristics, we tried to come up with a solution for the automated detection, and therefore we developed a supervised classifier to detect fake reviews. And we conducted what I call in the wild experiment, where we evaluated the performance of multiple classification algorithms, configurations, and the classification features. Now, I call this in the wild experiment because we don't know about the actual distribution of fake and regular reviews within the Apple App Store. Now, what we did, as you can see here on the screenshot, to come up with meaningful results, we also took a look at research on fake reviews in other domains, and these typically report a proportional distribution of 10 to 15% fake reviews. Now, for this distribution, we achieved quite promising results, and we were able to identify fake reviews with a recall of 91% and an AOC value of 98%. I would like to thank you for listening to our talk. My name is Daniel Martens. My co-author is Walid Malesh. In case of questions, feel free to contact us via email or Twitter.